acne marks, oily skin, and uneven skin tone? Let's bid them farewell.
My verdict, 10 out of 10. I just noticed that my acne starts to flatten out day by day. I also noticed that my skin texture feels better. It's just a week, but it makes a big difference on my skin.
So this is my skin on day 1. And this is my skin now. So my dark marks went from reddish to purple-ish, and it also flattened out. I can also feel that my skin is more glowy and healthier than ever.
Even if I am on my period right now, I'm surprised that I didn't get a new huge acne. And the pimple marks are now less noticeable, and my oily skin and uneven skin texture were also significantly reduced.